When you first create your Bookmark account, the first page that you'll see is your profile page. This has an overview of different areas accessible inside your Bookmark account. To navigate to the My Websites section to build a website, click the My Websites tab. If you want to view any community questions, submit a question, or write an answer, you can go to Ask an Expert under Community Questions. And to see what features are set to be released, you can go to the Feature Roadmap. You can also enter your account settings. From here, you can add basic information, view your billing details, see emails and domains under My Services, send out personal referrals, view any badges of your account, and set up editors under the Users tab. To log out, click the Account Settings and then the Logout button.